Good morning and happy Saturday. We're at the farmer's market. I'm finally remembering to film. I got my Zeke's coffee. We just bought our mushrooms. Now we're gonna look around and get some more stuff. Okay, we went to Mom's, we went to the farmer's market. Let's start unbagging some of this stuff to show you what I got. We got green beans. We had a lot of food because we didn't have basically anything. Oh, hi Franny, thank you for joining us. Austin got some chickpea salad and potato salads. He's gonna have those for lunch. And in this bag we have potatoes, onions, 1 tomato, which my mom said she has a ton of big tomatoes, so we don't need to buy any more of those. And corn, I think that might be all in this one. Oh, and a bok choy. Oh, it's getting all beat up by them potatoes. We should take that out. Babe, you could put this bag away now.
You need to water your tomato plant.
I know, I need to water everything. It's so hot. And then in this bag, we have some habanero pickles, which I'm really excited to try. Cherries, peaches, garlic, a couple of yellow squash, and our mushrooms. We got oyster and cremini. So those should be yummy. Okay, now into the stuff we got at Mom's. I always grab cupcakes because I'm a child.
Oh, these bagels are rock hard.
Oh yeah.
They're not gonna be cut now.
I'd toss the bagels. They're a week old at this point, pretty much. Let's see, we got some chips. These are my favorite chips. I like these and I like the jalapeno ones. These ones just happen to be on sale, so we got those ones. Pasha, my favorite chocolate brand, now has white chocolate chips. So I'm going to attempt the IHOP white chocolate chip raspberry pancakes that are my favorite. But I mean, I haven't had them in years because it's vegan. Got this chocolate bar. Austin's favorite cookies. He loves the Uncle Eddie's vegan cookies. If you ever see these, he highly recommends
They're
them.
the best pre-packaged cookies.
The best pre-packaged cookies. Then we just got some Dave's Killer Bread, Good Seed, and English muffins. This is all the produce we got at Mom's. We didn't get a ton since we obviously went to the farmer's market, but got some bananas, avocados, limes, and lemons. Just things, you know, they're not going to have at the farmer's market because they have to sell local stuff. And then in here we've got soy milk, just egg, another avocado oil. This stuff, this is really nice to mix with cocktails. It's cranberry frizz, Santa Cruz. More Pasha dark chocolate chips, because I've been baking cookies a lot. I've never seen these little holy veggie meals, but I thought that might be fun to try. And then Blackbird pizza, our favorite, and then Austin's is over here. He got the Supreme. And this is our last bag of stuff. Oh yeah, we got some baby kale too. Are you okay? Careful, you left your flip-flops in the middle of the floor. These were also in the new items shelf. These maple flavored dandies. I thought these might be fun to make drinks with. Austin got some corn dogs. He hasn't had those in a while. We got feta crumbles. That's probably my favorite cheese, honestly. The Follow Your Heart feta crumbles. Some Mac, some udon noodles, and then there's some linguine under that, and then some fusilli, and that's everything. We got a lot of food, but we basically didn't have any food, so this should last us a good while. Made a little bean burger for lunch with my new hot pickles. Very excited about that. Looks delicious. In the middle of watching The Kitchen, even though it's a rerun. I'm gonna have some lunch. Hey y'all, hey! It's later in the day. I changed. I've now got a white Aritzia top on. I was wearing a pink one earlier. And a little animal print skirt, my Brandon Blackwell purse, and my white on white Vans. These are Old Smith optical sunglasses. You can't really find the same frame anymore, which is really annoying because they're gorgeous and mine are kind of beat up. I'd love another pair, but you can't really find it anymore. And so we just got gas. We are heading down to DC to meet up with my friend Reese and her boyfriend Connor. Oh, sorry, I had to burp. And we are going to a DC United soccer game tonight. We're gonna go to a vegan restaurant with them, and it should be really nice. So I'm looking forward to that. We're just gonna be on the road for the next like hour and a half-ish. We're at the game, and we're losing. Game's out. We lost, but I did buy a little jersey, so that's fun. Hello and happy Monday. I don't think I've checked in since Saturday night, I think. I didn't do anything Sunday. Sat around the house, watched some TV, cleaned a little, nothing worth sharing. And then it's evening-ish now, and I just worked all day. Austin had a dentist appointment. I dropped him off with his dad. They're on the road. So I'm about to go on a walk with my mom so I can get some human interaction today. I've got my jersey on, my DC United jersey that I bought, which is so cute. And I did prune up my basil a little bit. I have one tomato finally starting to turn red. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's like right there. Anyway, I trimmed up the chives too. I'm gonna use a bunch of chives and basil to make some pesto later when I get back. I'm not quite hungry yet, but I'll eventually make some. Let me show you guys some pesto with all that. Oh, I need to switch the laundry. But I just wanted to pop in and say hey. Maybe I'll record a little bit of our walk with Skittles. We're melting. It's really hot. But it's nice to get a walk in. There's a little bit of a breeze, but it's not helping. Not helping at all. Really hot. I don't know why the video quality is so crap right now, but anyway, I made my pesto. I made a little pasta for dinner with some tomatoes and olives. I will show you the pesto in the kitchen when I'm done eating, but I don't know why the video quality is so crap right now. Maybe because it's like low light, but yeah, it's delicious. It occurred to me that I forgot to show y'all my pesto, so here it is, looking delightful. I'll try and use most of it up. If not, I can freeze it. And happy Tuesday. Got my coffee in my cute little mug. And I've already handled my emails and done a few little house chores. So I'm gonna sit for a minute. I think I might sit and quietly enjoy my coffee before the day inevitably gets crazy, as it always does. It's always very peaceful when Austin's out of town. Not that I mind him being here, obviously. I mean, I married him. But it's nice to kind of get a brief break, a little refresher, if you will. I think it's good to be away from each other sometimes. I just did a little photo shoot with this dress in the backyard. It's really big, so I couldn't really wear this anywhere because, I mean, it's just huge. Wrong size for me, but that's okay. Got a picture with it. It is really cute though. Really cute. But I'm gonna take this off and get changed. Then drop my package off at the UPS store to return these dresses. And move on to a round of new ones. So that'll be fun. Yeah. Good morning and happy Wednesday. I had to show you guys. My tomatoes are finally starting to turn red. Thank goodness. It was taking forever. Got another jalapeno growing. A bunch of these little peppers. It turned up the basil some. It's looking good out here. Real good. It was supposed to rain last night, but it didn't, so I'm gonna have to water these plants. Friend always wants to come outside until she hears all the noises. I don't know if you guys can hear the noises. I'm sure you can. They have been digging up the streets in the whole neighborhood. Hold on, let me flip this. So I don't know what happened. I was talking to my phone. It was not recording. It like recorded 1 second and stopped. But anyway, I was saying, basically, the lines in Baltimore City, the water lines, have not been maintained well, have not been replaced frequently enough. It's a huge undertaking, and right now they're in the middle of doing our whole neighborhood, just replacing all the lines, I think. So, like, all summer, different streets have been tore the fuck up. They have the bottom of the cross street, the bottom of our street already spray painted. So that'll be happening sometime in the next month, I think. And yeah, so Baltimore City or whoever's in charge of the lines never really maintain them well, and so that's why water in the city is just super, super expensive. And yeah, because they're replacing all the lines. Well, maybe one day it won't be that expensive. Maybe all the lines will be replaced, but I highly doubt it because things are just handled so poorly here. I do love Baltimore, but like politically, economically, you know, fiscally, whatever, shit is always handled very unwell. And I guess safety-wise, there's a decent amount of crime. Yeah, but I feel like politicians always want to like give you a one word, one thing answer. Like, I'll do this and it'll fix everything. No. Fixing the city is going to be a multi-pronged approach, and no one ever wants to put the effort into it because they're all lazy assholes and it's expensive. But it is what it is. It is what it is, I guess. I'm not going to deep dive into that one at all. Anyway, I need to water the plants, so I'm going to get to doing that. I made myself a little smoothie. My mom keeps slipping cucumbers into her delivery of produce from her garden, even though I told her we don't really eat cucumbers. So I keep making smoothies to hide cucumber in. I don't know, we just don't tend to reach for cucumbers very often, but this is good. Banana, blueberry, cucumber, and a little baby kale. And then one of those random like hydration powders that comes in our Vegan Cuts boxes. I think this was a lemon lime one. So gonna drink up my smoothie and have a nice little smoothie breakfast. Austin's home, and he brought home with him some Glory donuts. So this yellow and pink one, is this the passion fruit one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have the passion fruit one. It looks amazing. Hello and happy Thursday, I think. I'm having a donut. Let me see if I can show you. I'm having one of the donuts Austin got me. This is the chai flavor. It's very subtle though. I'm having my morning coffee. I'm still wearing the same thing I've been wearing for days. I need to shower and change. Yeah. I was thinking maybe next week I might do like a what I eat in week kind of focus. I'm terrible at these. I'm always gonna forget to record my food. But I thought it might be fun to like kind of add that emphasis to the vlog. So we'll see. We'll see how it pans out. But yeah, this is probably gonna be my last clip in this vlog because there really isn't anything planned for the day. I'll probably work out, shower, and then put a face on, record my empties video, and that's about it. Besides working and doing my normal home chores and stuff. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.